Uptown Swing.
Level 1.
6 count. This is Maddie.
That's Peter.
All right, we did this. Here's your basic footwork. Let's go like this. I'm going left, she's going right. We went rock, step, triple step, triple step. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. This is number 1. This is what you need to practice more than anything else. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Remember, if you're here with your feet getting out from underneath you, life is harder. Keep them underneath you. If you got to move to get it, that's okay. If you can, try and do it in place. And don't put your rock step way behind you. Just right underneath you would be great. Nice and simple. That's your main practice. Then we did a bunch of other stuff. You guys crushed it. We did rock, step, triple step, triple step. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. That's the tuck, turn, and change of places. Open, close, turn, rock, step, triple step, triple. Then we did the cuddle. We did get ready, triple, triple. Rock, step, triple, triple. I just switched my hand. And we also did the send out. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Get out of there, triple, triple. We hung out for a sec. Then we said, come on back. Triple, triple. We mixed all that together and you all did so well. That's it.